Going in the kitchen. I'm going to put it on that wall all the way to the top, and on that wall around the window, and all the way to right there where that paint line. Attaching this with Tapcon 3/16 by 2 1/4. See how this works. It's going to be a dry run. I'm going to attach these, I'm going to number them, pull them back down, fill in the nail holes, sand them, prime, paint, whatever it takes, get them ready to put back up. See how this goes. And these walls in this house are all concrete. Everything is a pain. There's one wall done. Now I gotta do this wall. If you're going through concrete, always buy you at least one size up with the screws that you're going to use. This is what I drill for. It's 3/16. These are 1/4 inch. About 30% of the time, you're going to have to put a bigger one in the hole. Now, I gotta draw a very straight line up there so I can cut those off perfectly flush and around the window and that edge, and then it will be time to sand, fill, and sand and paint. Yay!